Here are 10 super fun drawing exercises that will boost your creativity, sharpen your observation skills, and make you a better artist. You don't need much, just a pencil and paper or your iPad, of course, with Procreate. So let's jump right in. The first one is a mirror exercise. Draw only half of a face or an animal, or download these files that I have created for you. Then, without using any guides, mirror the other half by hand. Just train your eye for balance and observation. Don't worry if it's not perfect, just enjoy the fun result. Next one is the 5-minute shape challenge. Set a timer for 5 minutes and draw as many recognizable objects as you can from simple shapes like circles, squares, and triangles. This is a great exercise for creative thinking. Then zoom in drawing. Pick an everyday object like a flower, a key, or this keyboard, and then zoom in super close and only draw that tiny section. Suddenly, it'll become abstract art and you'll train yourself to notice textures and details. The next exercise is to draw from memory. Look at a photo. It can be anything, a cactus, bicycle, octopus, or this cute little hamster. Then hide the photo and try to draw it from memory. It's harder than it sounds, but it's amazing for building your visual memory and imagination. Like I said, it's harder than it sounds, so let's not judge this little monster. Next, we'll combine the unexpected. Take two things, or even more, that don't belong together, like an ice cream cone and a dragon, or a cactus and a teapot, and mash them together into one drawing. It's a creativity workout that can lead to surprising results. I would like to call it cacti. You are doing a great job building those drawing muscles. If you really want to take your skills to the next level, come and check my Patreon page where I have more than 250 drawing and painting tutorials. I will just leave a link for you in the description. Next, we'll draw the same but faster. Pick one object or character and draw it 3 times. The first time in 10 minutes, then the next time in just 2 minutes, and finally in just 30 seconds. This pushes you to simplify and focus on what really matters. The next exercise is upside down drawing. For this exercise, we are going to turn our reference image upside down and draw it like that. That way, your brain will stop labeling things and instead focus on pure shapes. So you'll actually draw more accurately and forget that this is a gingerbread dog. Here's a precision drill. Connecting the dots. Place random dots on your canvas and connect them with perfectly straight lines. Don't use the quick line tool. This is purely about hand control. It's like strength training for your line stability. The next exercise is negative space drawing. Instead of drawing the object, draw only the space around it. For example, you could draw a chair by sketching the background shapes around its legs and seat. Or in this case, drawing everything around the ramen noodles. This will help you see silhouettes and shapes in a completely new way. So for this reference image, for example, you can just focus on drawing the shape of that pink paper. Finally, there's this brush tracking game. You draw a complex shape like a spiral or something curvy, or you could also go for an animal or use a coloring page, and now trace over that same line 10 times with the exact same brush size, as precisely as possible. And you can switch up your color for every line that you make. This is like a rhythm and focus challenge for your hand. And that's it. 10 powerful drawing exercises to make you sharper, looser, and more creative. Which one are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments.